gentlemen, happy Mother's Day. This is Mama number one.
One, two, three, four, five. Our mama looks like she's 25. Yeah. 2 cents and $3. She makes them all clean the house, but we really don't wanna. Got my daddy at the PCC. I'm 4 years in, it can't be me, and then Margaret, I'm on out. Now we got fucking standing in my corner. But what can we say about her after all? She's bling and beauty, she's got it all. She's so fly and she's so cool. She's bumping, let's hear it in the trumpet. Tell her how the gospel in her life. And she got a daddy by her side. Good medication is what she needs. Always working hard is what we see. Doing a little bit of laundry in the sun. A little bit of